Now the password here, I haven't set any, and by default the password is Postgres here, right? So give this password here, which is Postgres, and if it fails, let's try to set a password. So go to your terminal, and here once again I'm going to switch to the Postgres username, and then I can give the PSQL command here, right? So either you can give this PSQL command, or you can give the create DB command, as I said, to create the DB. Here you can change the default password by giving this backslash password command. So I'm going to just give backslash password and then space. I'm going to just write STE and then press enter. And then I can give the password for this SDE user, right? But I haven't created any SDE user. I want to do this for the Postgres user, right? So let me just once again give this command, and then so because I'm giving the Postgres user name here, I need to give password for the Postgres user. So just give backslash Postgres here, and then give the new password. I'm going to set a very simple password here, and then retype it again, and then press enter, and it's set. And let me just try that password here, which I have set, and then press save, and now it works, right? So in order to change the password for Postgres, you can give this command and give your password, and remember that password and use the same password in order to connect to your localhost server for Postgres user. Now you can create all these databases. This database we have created using the command line, right? So you have this database, and then here you can create the schemas and tables and other things.